everybody, my name is Anastasia from Fix It Females, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks with you on how we mud butt joints. So the first tip is the consistency of your mud. Most people like a runny mud. I like a thicker mud so that I'm able to work with it a little bit more cleaner, even though I'm still dirty. But yeah, so when you mix your mud, just make sure that you get a consistency that you can work with that isn't too runny, otherwise you'll create a huge mess. Before you apply the mud to the wall, I've already done a first tape coat here. You have to make sure that the mud under the tape is more of like a kind of thick tomato soup. The consistency of that allows the tape to stick faster. Okay, second tip is, I've already applied a tape coat here, so I'm just getting you set up for your next coat. And the way to do that, I found the easiest way is to, instead of sand this out, I just simply take my really sharp mudding knife and I drag the edge or push the edge along the drywall to be able to remove some of the excess mud. Once I have that all clear, I'll clean my knife so that I get another clean, straight edge. Once I've done that, I simply take my mud off of my hock and I apply it to the drywall. Now this can take some real getting used to. You want to make sure that you apply enough mud so that you're embedding the tape completely into this first coat, especially to the joint of where the other tape from the corner meets the tape of the butt joint. Now that I have my second coat coating the tape, while it's still wet, I like to not drop my tools, but I like to take the mud and just go over it one more time so that I can get a nice smooth finish. Now don't worry too much about those lines, you can always smooth them out. I've been doing this for 15 years, so it's really easy for me to taper and clean off some of the areas that I've noticed. But for somebody who's just starting out, you can sand out those little lines. And there you go.